Hiro! Oh jeez!
Oh
man. Okay. I know you love art, painting.
Yeah.
I got this great piece, bro. It was $1,000 in a pandemic. I am super excited.
Oh,
man, look at that.
dude.
That's gonna be perfect on the wall,
Oh
man.
man, that looks great.
Yeah.
Woo! What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new episode, First Timers. We got myself, Hiro here, Alvin, superstars of the show.
Yeah.
Today, we got Project G behind us, and we're gonna be hooking up.
Hold on. Now, he's gonna be hooking up parts that look this beautiful.
Piece of art.
Yes, look at that. SPL parts. He has some BC coilovers. I don't even know if I'd mount these on a car. Just look how nice these are. These should be literally just hung on a showroom. You know, these are like, if you guys could see this quality. I don't know if you guys can see this quality, but they really look really amazing. Unbreakable ball joints. Oh, I don't know. We'll get into it in a second. I'll let Hiro finish. But I just, I don't know. I don't know about bolting these on there. He's insisting that
We got to.
Alright, I know.
But below us right here, we'll just show the B-roll of the parts that we have here. Got the coilovers, got the rear subframe, bushings, the front bushings, everything. The ball joints, rear upper control arm, front upper control arm that he's holding. So we're just gonna hook it up.
Yes.
So
It's gonna be nuts.
It's gonna be
nice.
exciting.
Yep. All right,
so we're just gonna get to it.
We're gonna jump into it.
All right. Woo! All right, you guys. So looks like the easiest way to do this right now, because I'm gonna have to take apart everything, is to remove the stock shock first. And we're starting in the front driver's side right now. So we're just gonna remove the shock, everything else that's in the way. Then we could get to the control arm. And I think that's called the compression arm. The sway bar bushings. Everything will be clear once we take this whole strut assembly out. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Oh, it's moving.
Look at that.
Perfect.
All right, so we're heating it up a little bit just to break it, because the pickle fork was not strong enough and the hammer wasn't strong enough. So let's give it a shot. Should be able to tap it on the side and it should just pop out, right?
Yeah.
I guess, right? Oh, look at that. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I like it. Ooh, top.
There. All right. What's up, guys? It's day 2, and I still have a little to do in the front. Still need to take this compression arm off. Here, let me turn on the light. I need to take this compression arm off, end link. So from the other day when Alvin was over, we found that I needed to replace this tie rod, and I was not anticipating that. So I had to order some parts. And since it was a kit that I ordered, it comes with this, the compression arm, the front lower control arm, and I already have the ball joint, and it comes with end links, because might as well, because look at that, it looks pretty old. So yeah, I'm gonna get to taking this off, the top control arm, front upper control arm, and all all these other things. So I can just wait for the new parts to come in, press out the bushings, put the urethane bushings in, and call that a day. Dang, why are you so tight? What's going on here? Wow, that is not good. Gonna switch from ratcheting type to actual breaker bar. Just didn't want to potentially break the ratcheting mechanism inside of this. So keep in mind that may happen. Why so hard? Oh. That sounds crazy. Alright, you guys, so I think I figured out why this won't come off. This nut and this, I don't know exactly what this is called, but it looks like some sort of a chassis brace under the front and behind the subframe, behind the front subframe. So I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of these size nuts, 19 millimeters, that I need to drop or take out in order to remove this compression arm. And just by looking under the car, that part is rusted looking, so I might as well sand it and paint it too before I put it back. So this project's starting to add up in cost. But it's okay. When it's done, when it's all said and done, I'm gonna be able to enjoy this. So I'm trying to keep positive. Yeah, buddy. Since I have nothing metal to hold this guy right here, I was thinking, might as well use this other jack. So let's see if this works. Cross your fingers, guys. Oh dang, I think I got it. Or it's stripped. Let's see. Yes! Success! Alright. Oh, that makes me happy. Just gotta use your brain. Haven't used mine in a while. So I have the sway bar sitting on this jack stand here. I have the breaker bar. I'm gonna crawl into the car. Use a breaker bar extension. Like so. And then hopefully I can pull it down. So here goes. Oh, this would be so easy with a lift. Oh, curse you. Just a 17 millimeter nut. Let's try this again, mofo. Oh, got it. But Jesus. Oh, thank you. I will be mirroring what I did on this side to the other side, so I'm not going to record it. It'll probably be quicker and I'll look more professional, but you know, this is first timers, so everything we do is for the first time. I do want to do this video in two parts. Part one is going to be the front end and disassembly, reassembly, and then part two will be the rear end, disassembly, reassembly. So yeah. All right, I'm moving on to the other side and I will see you guys later. What's up, guys? To be honest, I forgot what day number this is on this project, but last night I got the parts that I needed. The control arm and the compression arm. So what I'm gonna do today is push these bushings out, replace them with the ones that they need to be. And yeah, that. Replace the end links, tie rod, and I got bellows for my power steering rack because it looks like they're a little worn. All right, so today we're gonna start by pressing out these bushings. I have this socket for these bushings right here, the other way, and I have this right here, this end, for that. Tell that it fits right there. Yeah. So I'm going to be putting that on our little Harbor Freight jack here, hydraulic jack, and just want to show off the parts that I painted. It's the rear chassis brace and the front. Looking good. I also cleaned the front under tray. It was like a little grimed up with oil probably from oil changes and stuff. But yeah, all right, let's get to it. everything that I set out to do today, I couldn't get to, except I was successful in getting these bushings in the control arm and compression arm. But dang, just a tip for you guys if you plan on doing this. Here, let me show you on an old part. Both of these sides, actually one of these sides, you can see that it's, I think the correct pronunciation is chamfered, where there's like an angle cut there, so you can slide the bushing in easier. The other side, it's flat, so you actually have to file that down so it's similar to this, not so much, but just similar to that. It helps a great deal. I was fighting with this. It kept crushing the bushing in a weird way, and I was like afraid of cracking it. So I had to back it out, push it back in, back it out, push it back in. And I was like, maybe if I file the other end, since this is aluminum, it's really easy to file. Filed it, and man, what a big difference. The compression rod, that was really easy. For some reason, that was just really easy. Both of these were a pain in my like, oh god, and I can't believe how long it took me. I still haven't even gotten to the rest of the car yet, but I need to take a break. I need to eat something, and I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna work through the night if I have to. What's up, guys? It's Saturday. It's gonna be another productive day. Yesterday took way too long than I anticipated just to get the bushings in. But yeah, I learned a lot. So next time I do it, it'll be a lot simpler. I have the parts laid out here. This is the driver's side, everything that goes on the driver's side. SPL recommends that we grind off these tabs here. These little things on the spindle and the knuckle. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that first before reassembling it on the car. So yeah, that's gonna be the project for today. And if I still have a lot of time in daylight, I'm gonna jump to the rear and all that business back there. Dang, I was trying to film me grinding the knuckle there, or the spindle, and the wind, it's crazy outside, and then the whole GoPro tipped over, and then I got my lens protector cracked. So I'm not gonna film the rest outside because it's crazy out there. But anyways, let us know in the comments below if this is something that you want to see us doing, because otherwise we could just say what we're gonna do and then show you the after product. If you guys don't want to see the process, then let us know, because we want to try to make videos that are better for you guys. All right, so I'll cut to the next scene in a sec. So when all is said and done, this is what it looks like when it's grinded down. The other side is the same. But everything's torque to spec. If you guys have any questions on torque specs, I have the sheet. I might put it in the description field, but yeah, everything's looking good. Let's show you under the car. Oh yeah, love it, red parts. I am done. Just wanted to show you guys the front real quick. There's the front. New boots. A new boot on this side as well. Tomorrow, Sunday, I'm gonna be starting the rear. Yes. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.